The textile industry is one of the largest industries in the world, but it also has a dark side. Every year, millions of tons of textile waste end up in landfills, and the fashion industry contributes significantly to pollution and climate change. Fast fashion, cheap, mass-produced clothing has created a culture of overconsumption. Consumers buy more clothes than they need, only to discard them after a few wears. Beyond environmental issues, there are also serious social concerns. Many workers in developing countries work in unsafe conditions, earning low wages, and working long hours to keep up with the high demand for cheap clothing. But there is hope. By promoting sustainable practices, reducing waste, and choosing ethical fashion, we can make a difference. Sustainable textile production and ethical labor standards are key to creating a future where fashion doesn't come at the cost of the planet or human lives. One of the biggest concerns in the textile industry is fast fashion. This trend leads to excessive waste, pollution, and unethical labor practices. Mass production creates low-cost garments that are discarded quickly, filling landfills with textile waste and increasing carbon emissions. To tackle this issue, we must shift towards responsible consumption and demand durable, eco-friendly products. Fortunately, there are alternatives. Organic cotton, bamboo fibers, and recycled polyester are all examples of sustainable textiles. These materials use fewer resources, minimize waste, and have a lower environmental impact compared to conventional fabrics. Brands adopting these materials help reduce pollution while promoting fair labor conditions. Another innovative solution is upcycling. Instead of discarding old clothes, upcycling transforms waste materials into new and higher-value products. This process reduces raw material consumption and encourages creativity in fashion. From patchwork designs to repurposed denim, upcycling is becoming a key trend in sustainable fashion. Textile labeling and certifications help consumers make informed choices. Certifications like Global Organic Textile Standard, GOTS, OEKOTX, and Fair Trade Certified ensure that fabrics are produced under sustainable and ethical conditions. By looking for these certifications when shopping, consumers can support brands that prioritize the environment and workers' rights. Consumers have the power to drive change every day. By choosing to support brands that are committed to sustainability and ethical production, you're not just buying a product, you're voting for a better future for our planet and its people. Every informed choice sends a message that our industry can be both profitable and responsible, encouraging companies to adopt greener practices and ensure fair treatment of workers throughout the supply chain. When you invest in transparency and sustainability, you contribute to a stronger, more resilient textile industry that respects the environment and honors human rights. Join us in making choices that pave the way for a more ethical and sustainable world. Narrator. The European Union is taking bold steps toward making the textile industry more sustainable. The EU Strategy for Sustainable and Circular Textiles aims to reduce waste and promote ethical production. Some of the most important regulations include the Eco-Design for Sustainable Products Regulation, ensuring textiles are durable, reusable, and recyclable. The Empowering Consumers in the Green Transition Directive is cracking down on greenwashing to ensure brands are transparent about sustainability claims. The Extended Producer Responsibility (EPR) regulation makes brands accountable for the entire life cycle of their products. The EU is also tackling textile waste by limiting exports of discarded clothing and improving waste management systems. Through funding and innovation, the future of sustainable fashion is closer than ever. These regulations will shape the future of fashion. As consumers, we must support brands that align with these policies and make responsible choices when buying clothes. From 2021 to 2027, the European Union is investing in sustainable textile initiatives through key funding programs. These initiatives help businesses transition to eco-friendly practices and promote circular economy models. Horizon Europe funds research on textile recycling, eco-friendly materials, and waste reduction. The LIFE program supports businesses implementing circular economy principles. Interreg Europe helps regional businesses collaborate on sustainable solutions. The European Social Fund Plus, ESF Plus, provides vocational training for green jobs in the textile sector. These funding opportunities are paving the way for a greener textile industry. Entrepreneurs, startups, and researchers can take advantage of these programs to drive real change. The textile industry is evolving rapidly, creating new career opportunities driven by sustainability, digitalization, and innovation. As the industry moves towards a circular economy, new job roles are emerging, offering a promising future for professionals interested in sustainable fashion, technological advancements, and ethical production. The textile industry is evolving rapidly, creating new career opportunities driven by sustainability, digitalization, and innovation. As the industry moves towards a circular economy, new job roles are emerging. One of the biggest trends shaping the job market in textiles is sustainability. The increasing demand for eco-friendly production and circular economy practices has created the need for sustainability specialists who can implement green initiatives, reduce waste, and optimize textile recycling. Another major shift is the rise of digitalization, with advanced textile engineers and digital fashion designers playing key roles in automating production, utilizing artificial intelligence, and developing virtual prototypes. As bio-based and innovative textiles gain popularity, professionals with expertise in biodegradable materials and smart fabrics will also be highly sought after. With the industry adapting to these changes, several exciting career paths have emerged. Sustainable fashion designers. These professionals create clothing using eco-friendly materials, ensuring ethical production processes. Circular economy consultants. They help companies integrate circular business models, reducing waste and promoting recycling. Textile recycling engineers. Experts who develop new methods to repurpose old fabrics into reusable materials. Supply chain and ethical sourcing specialists. Professionals who ensure responsible material sourcing, transparency, and labor rights in production. AI and digital textile technologists. Engineers working on automating production processes, designing smart textiles, and implementing AI-driven fabric recognition technologies. For those interested in entering the sustainable textile industry, here are some essential steps to get started. Gain relevant education degrees or certifications in textile engineering, sustainable fashion, or material science will provide the foundation needed for these careers. Stay updated on industry trends, following sustainability news, attending fashion tech conferences, and engaging with industry professionals can help keep you ahead of the curve. Develop digital skills. Mastering software for 3D modeling, AI-powered design, and CAD tools is becoming increasingly valuable in the textile job market. Get hands-on experience. Internships or volunteering with sustainable fashion brands, research projects, or textile recycling initiatives can provide real-world skills and networking opportunities. Technological advancements are reshaping job opportunities in the industry. Innovations such as 3D printing in fashion allow for customized, waste-free garment production. Smart textiles and wearables, with embedded sensors and adaptive materials, are opening new roles in research and development. Automated textile sorting and recycling technologies are improving efficiency and reducing waste, creating jobs in AI-driven waste management and fiber regeneration. As these technologies continue to grow, they will further redefine the skill sets required in the textile workforce. Many global brands and startups are actively hiring professionals in sustainability, supply chain management, and textile technology. Careers in green manufacturing, ethical auditing, and regenerative fashion design are in high demand, with organizations looking for skilled individuals to help achieve sustainability goals. Online job platforms such as Textile Exchange, Conscious Fashion Collective, and LinkedIn provide excellent opportunities for job seekers to connect with industry leaders. The textile industry is undergoing a transformation, and skilled professionals are needed to lead the change. Whether you're an aspiring designer, engineer, or sustainability advocate, there's a place for you in the future of textiles. Explore new opportunities and be part of the movement toward a greener, smarter, and more ethical fashion industry.